All right, let's take one more quick look at this. We want to be working on dividing a decimal number by a whole number. So you can see on here, I have 3,500s being divided by 7. So I've already done the work and I'm going to walk you through my thought process because ideally what I want you guys to do is be able to get away from using the manipulatives. So today we're going to kind of show you the manipulatives at the same time as we look at the equation and just the thought process behind it. So 3,500s divided by 7. So that's how we could look at it like that. 3,500s being divided by 7. So what would our first step be? When we look at it, I've got 35 of these little hundreds. That's our representation that we're used to using. I need to break those up into 7 equal size groups, okay? So I have 35 blocks into 7 groups. So how many blocks are in each group? And I know some of you are already looking at it and going, I know my facts. 35 divided by 7 is going to be 5. So taking a quick look at it, whether you did it numerically or whether you actually moved the blocks around, 35 being broken up into 7 groups is going to give you 5 blocks. Now, here's the trick. Is the answer actually 5? Okay? Because think about those blocks. Yes, there are 5 blocks, but what do each of those blocks represent? Okay, is the answer 5? No. The answer is 5 hundredths. Each one of those blocks is a hundredth. So if we take 3,500 hundredths divided by 7, it gives you 5 hundredths. That's the piece that it is. So then we can just take that and write out our answer as 5 hundredths. So if you know how to write your decimals, this is easy. Okay. Another way of thinking about it, because we've talked about this in the past, is the unit that we're using, that word. I could replace that with anything. I could say 35 apples divided into 7 groups is 5 apples. I could say 35 dogs divided up into 7 groups. I don't know why you'd want to divide up dogs, but it would work the same, that it'd be 5 dogs. So 3,500 hundredths divided by 7 is 5 hundredths. You just have to know how to write the decimal point. And the same thing could be true. This could have been 35 tenths, 35 thousandths. It doesn't matter, okay? As long as you remember what that unit word is, and then you remember to actually write it as the correct decimal point. All right, thanks for watching.